As we move closer to the beginning of the year, I've had several teachers ask me how to link and then eventually unlink classes that have more than one section. The purpose of linking classes is rather simple. If you link your multiple section class, it will allow you to input, to upload, to organize those classes as one, but they still have their individual students within each class. Linking the classes is rather simple. All you'd have to do is first go to your classes, go to See All. You can see here that I've had my AP Government class already linked together. Now I went ahead and unlinked my US History class just for demonstration. So I just go ahead and go to any one of the sections. I'm going to take section 1. Go to Link Existing Sections. Go ahead and click that. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select the two sections that are linked or that I wish to link together. Go ahead and hit Link Sections. Just gives me a warning that the materials in sections 2 and 3 will not be copied over. So if you have material already in section 2 and 3, please realize that this material will not be saved. But you will keep your current enrollments, your student rosters, anything of that matter, but any kind of materials or uploads to those two sections will no longer be there. Now you can see here my US History. It's linked together in sections 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to go back to my home. And you can see that their classes are still individual. Sometimes they link together like this, and eventually it does do that. But I can go ahead and whenever I click on any one of these sections, I can see there that my 3 sections are linked together. So any material that I upload to this area, tests or materials of any sort, will show up here and show up for all my sections. Now if I go to my grade book, I will see here that I'm looking at section 1, but then I can go ahead and select my individual classes. Now there is a bug that you need to be aware of, and if it happens to you, please let Dane or myself know. The bug happens, and it has not happened for everybody. When you link your classes together, some of your students will disappear. This means you have done nothing wrong. It is a bug within Schoology, and you need to let myself or Dane know so we can try to let Schoology know to fix their software. Again, it's nothing that you did wrong. It's just a bug within the system. So when you do link your classes together, please take a moment and look through your class roll. Look through your roster, making sure you have the same amount of students. You can also do this by clicking on Members. And you can see there my members of my given class. I have 19 here. Make sure before you link that you had 19 before, or whatever number you have. Make sure you do that. Now you'll realize that these roles will not mesh up with FA Web. That's fine. We're still working on that as well too. That's nothing wrong with Schoology or FA Web. They're just not communicating correctly. So again, just make sure that you haven't lost any students from the linking process. So go ahead, before you link, go ahead and make sure to check how many total students you have in a given class. And then after you link your section together, make sure those different members or those different sections still have the same number of students after the linking process. So again, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. My name is Kyle Clapper, kyle.clapper@montford.org, or Dane if you have any more Schoology questions. Thank you very much.